Stop crying. No, baby, they're going at like 10 miles an hour. I don't even know what it is. Look, they're pulling over too. I got them all.
Oh God. Are we like far off the road?
Yeah, I'm like almost in the grass. It's stopping, look. Calm down. This is like the worst thunderstorm ever. It's worse than a hurricane. Baby, it's alright. Stop crying. We're not gonna die.
There's somebody here. I can't see.
Baby, nobody's even coming down the road. Everybody's pulled over.
God, what a fighting inside.
Well, then hopefully we're grounded enough.
What if we run out of gas?
We're not going to run out of gas. I've got like almost a half a tank. Insane.
Are you fucking recording me?
Yeah. I won't show anybody that you're crying during a thunderstorm, baby. Alright, we're about to go again, okay?
No!
It's blacked off.
No! Please don't go. I don't want to go on the interstate.
How do you want to go, baby?
I don't want to go.
You just want to stay right here? Alright. We'll just sit here. I mean, that's the only way we can get home is on I-10.
I don't care.
Jeez.
Why are you so
Because it doesn't happen all the time. Unless you're in a hurricane.